This is our little friend who's been feeding out of our hands for the last 15 minutes. He'll go bury that seed and he'll come back to us. Looks like he's on a roll now with you, Micah. Hey? Come on, it's my turn. Come back to me. Nope. Says, I want to be with Micah today. Come on now. My turn. Come on. Hey, dear. They're so beautiful creatures. I love them. He even climbed up on Roger and I's laps. Hey, Micah? If we could tame our squirrels at home like this, that'd be cool. And he's going to have to come to me back again. He was on a roll with me until I got the camera out. Yeah.
Something to post on Facebook.
If the video's too long, it'll probably be boring for some people to watch it this far through. But okay, he run out. Now come to me. No, that's Dad. He don't have no food. Come over here. Come over here. Hello. Come here. Where'd he go? Where? Oh, there he is.
I'm excited. Doesn't even get nuts.
Oh, he almost came to me. He went up right on top of you. I have the thing on zoom in and I can't zoom it out. Come on. He's on my foot. I can't do this. There. Come here, little guy. Come back. Micah had to go get more nuts. You're bad, Micah. You little turd. You took him from our footage. I have no proof that he's eaten out of my hand yet. It's all hearsay.
She's lying.
Put your hand down.
He had it in my hand like 5 times.
You have no sense like that. You have to have it down like that.
I did, but I'm trying to film too. My lovely men.
Here, you put your hand on the ground. I'll take the video.
Yeah, but it's already getting into 6 minutes. I'd probably have to hang this up here.